Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to transfer your money from Binance to your bank account using Swissborg. Make sure to watch the video until the end, not to miss any important details. Like and subscribe. To sign up for Swissborg, all you have to do is scroll down until you see the first link in the description, or once you see the first link in the comment section below, click on it and it will redirect you to this page right here. Copy this code and scan this QR code. Once you download the application and sign up, deposit some money, you will get the chance to win up to 100 euros in the lottery ticket that they provide from the application. As you can see right here, I'm doing the exact same steps, and then once you verify all your details, voila, now you have access to the application. Now that you have Swissborg downloaded, all you have to do is open your Binance account, and then from here go to the bottom right section where it says Assets, and then select whatever cryptocurrency you might have in your account. So from here, if we have USDT, then simply click on it, and then from here we can go and click on Send, which is going to be on the bottom, and then from here we can click on On-Chain Withdrawal. Now once we do that, it's going to ask for the network and the address. To get those, all you have to do is exit the application and then open Swissborg. Once you open Swissborg and verify your identity, then all you have to do is open your account, and then from here we're going to go to our portfolio. Now we're going to simply click on deposit, and from the deposit section it's going to give us any coin. So for example Tether, which is going to be right here, and then we're going to get the liquid asset, and then from here we have our address. Now once we do that, we're going to copy the address, and then from here we're going to go to the address section and then paste it. Once we do that, we're going to select the network, which is going to be one of those options. So choose whatever is more comfortable for you. Usually BNB Smart Chain is the most recommended. And then from there, once you do that and then transfer it, select whatever amount you might want and then withdraw it. Once you're done with that step, go back to Swissborg, and then from here, once you have that, you're going to have the cryptocurrency right here in your portfolio. Then from here, all you have to do is switch it to a fiat currency such as euros, USD, or whatever you might want. So from here, if you can see, we have token, and then we can sell it. And then once you sell it, you can just change it to euros. And then once you have euros right here, you can click on withdraw. And then from the withdraw, it will tell you which bank account you might like. So we're going to click on it, select whatever country. And then from here, once you have that done, click on next. And then it will tell you if you are in the Euro region or not. And then all you have to do is paste your IBAN from your bank account, click on save account, determine how much amount you would like to sell, and that's it. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.